Dictionary. At dictionary. In a general sense, the phrase cough up is an informal expression that means to reluctantly or begrudgingly surrender or produce something, often referring to money or information. It implies a degree of reluctance or difficulty in parting with what is being demanded. For instance, if someone is asked to cough up the cash, it means they are being urged to provide the required money, perhaps with some resistance or hesitation. The phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts where one is required to give or disclose something that may not be willingly offered.